Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 3.5 liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a black appearance package, tow and haul package, mobile office package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, tailgate step, mud flips on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, the Power Boost hybrid logo with blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, side view camera with a nice black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with the nice floor mats, carpet interior. We do get a nice flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage in the door, cup holders and storage in front of the passengers, 12 volt rear vents with USB-Cs and 120 volt with a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, you got your tailgate, lights, gas cap, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 11 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control, digital speedometer, and we do get all your vehicle settings in here, such as My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, those collapsible storage cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, with an interior work surface, food, laptop, paperwork, totally up to you, storage underneath, with dry modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, with heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with a lovely powered rear window opener. Got your features for your Pro Power onboard, hazards and traction, 360 view of the vehicle, with your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps and messaging, email, Pro Power onboard. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA32500, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.